Top 17 Benefits of Chia Seeds, Chia Seed Drinks for Weight Loss. Chia seeds sometimes have many people confuse them with sesame seeds and sesame seeds in many regions because our size and shape are the same, but if you look closely, you will see that they are completely different. Especially in terms of use and great effects, chia seeds have differences compared to sesame seeds. In this video, BellyFatZone invites you to refer together. What is chia seed? Are chia seeds sesame seeds or not? Or does chia seeds have any effect in life, health, and beauty? What are chia seeds? Grain split, chia seed, or called Salvia hispanica, is a flowering plant in their flower lip and the same type with the other herbs used as spices such as basil, mint. Originated in areas of southern Mexico, Bolivia. Chia seeds are very nutritious, with brown, gray, black, and white spots. County-divided source fatty acid abundant and essential for the body, such as omega-3 formidable, low sodium, but high in protein, fat, fiber and antioxidants. Height with blueberries results. Besides, with a number of essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals such as protein, up to 19 to 23% without cholesterol, B vitamins are abundant. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell to get useful videos. 17 Benefits of Chia Seeds for your body health and beauty. Chia seeds are often widely used in vegetative, beauty, weight loss, anti-aging skin, and effective treatment for some ailments. 1. Chia seeds are high for pregnant women and young children. Pregnant women need to provide essential nutrients for the fetus to develop most comprehensively. American chia seeds contain folate, and this is an essential factor that helps the fetal nervous system and brain development in the first 3 months of pregnancy. Also, chia seeds contain nutrients that pregnant women need to provide daily, including omega-3, iron, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin A. It can be said that chia seeds and herbs rarely contain two important nutrients at the same time, folate and omega-3. Using chia seeds for pregnant women not only helps the fetus grow healthy but also helps the mother to have more milk after giving birth. 2. Chia seeds lose weight and avoid obesity. Chia seeds contain many nutrients and are capable of absorbing water 16 times its weight, which makes you no longer crave, do not need to eat much, and still have enough energy. Use 1 cup of chia seeds before meals to help fight excess fat and prevent obesity. 3. Chia seeds help build muscle. Because of its high protein content, chia seeds are an ideal food for those who want to lose weight or build muscle. It also contains lots of antioxidants, so it will help replace any nutrients that the body loses during exercise. 4. Chia seeds are suitable for the cardiovascular system. The cause of the heart is due to high cholesterol levels, so it needs to have a reasonable diet and use foods that are good for the heart. And chia seeds contain 20% omega-3, which is the essential fatty acid for the cardiovascular system, because omega-3 can reduce cholesterol, maintain cardiovascular function, and prevent blood clotting, prevent atherosclerosis and stroke. 5. Improve the digestive system. Chia seeds are high in fiber, containing up to 37% of fiber, 80% of which is insoluble fiber, and 20% of soluble fiber helps the digestive system function properly. 6. Supporting the treatment of diabetics. Researchers at the University of Latvia say that chia seeds have the ability to regulate insulin levels, reduce blood insulin levels, thereby helping to help reduce diabetic symptoms because of their high alpha-linolenic acid and substance content fiber. 7. Chia seeds are good for the nervous system and intelligence. Chia seeds contain very high levels of omega-3, which helps regenerate the nerve cell system as well as help the brain develop. 8. Effective against osteoporosis. Because chia seeds are a great source of calcium supplement, 6 times higher than milk, and contain all the nutritional ingredients that help keep bones healthy like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, zinc. Chia seeds are very good to help you improves the aging process of bones. 9. Enhance energy. Black chia seeds provide the body with long-term energy. Most people who use chia seeds are athletes. They use chia seeds to boost energy and support joint movement and muscle recovery. Because of its high protein content, black chia seeds increase the number of calories your daily diet. 10. Chia seeds provide vitamins and minerals necessary for the body. Due to daily activities, the body often loses essential minerals. Meanwhile, chia seeds can provide all the minerals and vitamins needed to help the body be provided with enough energy. 11. Supply protein to the body. It is a significant source of protein for people with irregular eating habits, those who eat less breakfast or who drink a lot. Chia seeds are a good source of protein, which makes the muscles stronger and healthier. 12. Prevent aging. Researchers from Mexico recently found that chia seeds contain lots of antioxidants that help you form free radicals by up to 70%, thereby slowing down the aging process. 13. Chia seeds have a beautiful effect on the skin of hair and nails. Chia seeds are high in Al6-Omega, high in antioxidants, and high in protein, all important for skin beauty. Hair and nails are mostly made up of protein, and the human body uses protein to build and repair tissues, so we need relative amounts of protein. And chia seeds are a great source of a natural protein, up to 20% of the protein in the diet. 14. Good for athlete health. Chia seeds provide a great source of minerals for athletes after a period of exercise will lose a lot of electrolytes. 15. Food for vegetarians. Using chia seeds during cooking, you can make sure you get all the omega-3 fatty acids you need. Because chia seeds are high in iron, calcium, and protein, they are good for vegetarians. 16. Chia seeds help detoxify. In addition to improving the health of the digestive system, chia seeds are also a source of nutrients that help eliminate toxins in the body naturally and effectively. The anti-inflammatory compound in chia seeds helps to prevent and restore damaged cells. Therefore, the condition of cells in the body is less damaged and improved regularly. Removing most of the toxins from the body helps your health improve better. 17. Treatment of diverticulitis. Chia seeds contain a lot of fiber, helping to improve diverticulitis. Chia seeds help the large intestine absorb more water and make the process of going outside easier. Also, when combined with a number of other fruits and vegetables is also very good at preventing inflammation in the appendix.
Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please share it with the person who needs it and subscribe to the channel to get new useful information.